Hello guys, welcome to my review channel. Today I'll be unboxing and giving you a quick overview of this product. It's a magnetic knife holder. I bought it from Amazon for 199 rupees for a pack of two. And the total length of the magnetic holder is 33 centimeters or 1 feet 1 inch. The magnetic holder itself is made of completely polycarbonate plastic, and there are two strips of magnet and metal clamps which actually holds the knives and utensils properly. They do include two screws, so you can easily make uh, holes on the wall and attach it. Now, make sure the knives that you have at home are actually made of iron, not stainless steel, because some of the knives over here are not attracted to the magnet. I'm going to show you some of the knives. The smaller knives are actually stainless steel, so they don't get attracted by the magnet. This is a nifty gadget for your kitchen. You can make two small holes, drill holes in the wall, and you can organize all your sharp utensils, especially knives, on the wall, and it gives a premium look also. Now, I got this for 199 rupees, so basically it's almost 100 rupees for each magnetic holder. So I would say it's a great deal. It's almost $1.50. Now, it's completely made of polycarbonate. As you can see, the magnet is very strong. It can hold heavier knives also. Now I'll show you how it looks in my kitchen. I've installed it by drilling two holes, and it basically organizes all your knives in the kitchen. Hope you like my video.